So why have I splurged? Because it's my birthday month. Yay! So it's my birthday month, and I have to say though, I didn't just book one cruise. And she's shiny and she's ready to cruise, and I think I'm going to give her a name.
For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship.
So let's talk about this. My little girl has been cruising with me for the last 10 years. Now I bought the big girl, and I'm gonna tell you in a minute why I splurged. But now, after seeing the big girl next to my old tired little girl, I have no idea how I fit all those clothes in there. Shoes and dinner attire, I have no idea. So I think this is a brand new Samsonite. And she's shiny and she's ready to cruise, and I think I'm gonna give her a name. How about Mercedes? Hey, I'm German, right? I'm German. So that's her name, Mercedes. Mercedes is ready to cruise, and I'm gonna show you what she looks like. So why have I splurged? Because it's my birthday month. Yay! So it's my birthday month, and I have to say though, I didn't just book one cruise. I booked 10 cruises within the next 12 months. So let me repeat this. I booked 10 cruises within the next 12 months. So let's see how she's doing after a year, how she's holding up, if she's really as great as she says she is, right? I'm going to take you on every single one of these cruises. So join me and sail along with me and Mercedes. You guys gotta see this. My old girl that I traveled with and sailed with for 10 years, I had no idea how small she really is. She fits in a new Samsonite. Look at this. I can take her on a trip. Also, since I will be cruising a lot, I needed a laptop rolling bag because I will definitely have to do some work from the open seas. So I wanted a laptop bag that I can, roll around instead of having to carry the weight. And that is small enough to fit on the plane underneath the seat in front of me. So this seems pretty perfect, and she fits onto my new Mercedes, so there we go, pretty perfect. And I think Mercedes, they like each other. I think they're doing well already together. She's purple inside, which I didn't look for purple, but it's okay. She fits my laptop and everything else that I need for the first day, so it's perfect. And you guys know I'm an artist, so I have brand new cover-ups with my art on them. And so check them out. I'm pretty tall, I'm 5'9", and it's nice and long for me, but check out the exact size before you buy on my website, JSFA Jenny Simon. And you can wear them over your bikini or wear them with jeans in the winter. Looks fantastic. All right. My new laptop bag has the zipper in the front that I use for papers and notes. It has definitely enough space for my gear and other items that I need on my first day on the cruise ship. And yes, the telescopic handle. My old suitcase didn't roll very well, but this one definitely spins like a ballerina on opening night. Another zipper for expanding if needed, and I love how roomy she is. It's definitely enough space for overpacking and taking all that stuff that I definitely won't need. It's going to be an epic year. And I have to talk about it. All of these cruises are casino deals. So I'll make another video about how I got these deals. But yes, join me on my epic year.
Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.